Welcome back to Wheelwise Reviews, where we dive into the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're looking at the 2025 Morris Minor, a modern twist on a classic icon. This new version of the Minor has been designed to retain its timeless charm while incorporating the latest in technology and performance. The 2025 Morris Minor stands out with its retro-inspired design, paying homage to the original model from decades past, yet it doesn't shy away from modernity. The exterior showcases smooth curves and a compact form, reminiscent of the vintage look, but it has been updated with LED headlights, a sleeker front grille, and larger alloy wheels for a more contemporary feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Morris Minor offers a small but efficient engine, which makes it ideal for urban driving. It comes with a hybrid powertrain, blending fuel efficiency with enough power to get you through daily commutes with ease. The handling is light and responsive, making it fun to drive in tight city streets or on weekend getaways. Inside, the cabin of the Morris Minor is a mix of nostalgia and modern comfort. The dashboard retains a simple, minimalistic layout, echoing its classic roots, but with the addition of a touchscreen infotainment system, digital controls, and wireless smartphone connectivity. The seats are made of high-quality materials, providing comfort for both the driver and passengers, while the compact design ensures easy maneuverability in busy areas. Safety features have been given a serious upgrade, with modern driver assistance systems such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, and a rear-view camera. These updates ensure that the 2025 Morris Minor is not only stylish but also safe for everyday use. Overall, the 2025 Morris Minor is perfect for those who appreciate classic designs with a modern twist. It offers a smooth driving experience, practical features, and a strong balance between performance and efficiency. If you want to see more reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to Wheelcraft Studio for the latest updates on all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.